This is Aussie Diecast Racing. Let's check it out.
Welcome back to Diecast Race Wars. This is the finals. We have 3 races, so let's get into it. Throughout the lost forgotten wrecking yards of this barren landscape rise a group of racers
Gone but not forgotten.
They're bruised, battered and left to waste until a new breed of drivers emerge from the wastelands and are willing to join forces and take on Mount Western Raceway in
Junkyard Wars.
A quick channel update, and I'm very excited to announce Monday night racing will be hot rods. This is Aussie Diecast Racing hot rod style. I'll also throw in some gases just to mix the whole thing up. This is Diecast Racing Aussie style. Thanks for watching.